Hello everyone and welcome back to Can and Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Gran Dama espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we replaced the brew unit of the machine. This one that you see right here. We also replaced the water pump. This one you see right here, this water pump. And we also have to replace the manifold. This one. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. We descaled it, deep cleaned it, and replaced the gasket of the generator. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out, and we're gonna be using the hot water of the machine. Let me put some coffee inside the grinder. We also replace this panel as well. And now let's do a shot of coffee. Alright, nice shot of espresso coming out of the machine. Great color. And water for this machine. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the one. Nice temperature, excellent flow coming out of the hot water one. Working great. So there you have it, the Delonghi Gran Dama working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Can and Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.